Family, good morning. This is what I'm greeting with, all while trying to redo in my garden. Look at all this. Okay, y'all see the old beds? I still have stuff to do. Look at all this, these bags. So, they are like 90% filled. My potatoes are doing really, really well. That's a blueberry bush. I need to up-pot that. And water the potatoes. But I want you to see what I'm working with this early in the morning. My grapevine, I'm gonna up-pot it too. But it's got some, look y'all. I know these probably ain't edible yet. I know they're not edible yet, but this is the first year of them fruiting, or of it fruiting. So, hey, I'm reorganizing. These two poles used to have these Dollar Tree planters in there, but I don't know if I'm going to use them this year. And then these heaps of dirt came out of those old beds, so I'm going to top them off over there. I do gotta weed it, and this looks like it's going to be a really fun thing to do. Like, I want to know where these jokers come from. Like, who told y'all to just be growing in my stuff? Nobody has time for that. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go back to the back where I started my little project. Ooh. You see my little trim on my beds? Because I have been wounded. See that? It looks small to you guys, but I did it on the other hand too. When I was building the beds, the metal caught me. So I decided to get me some support. And I was doing it in the dark, so you know I gotta peel all this out because I'm kind of OCD with that. I'll be peeling glue off, but I'm gluing them on. These are little pipe covers, insulated covers that they're already slit. Let's see. I'll let y'all see. I've got this camera in one hand. Already slit, so let's see. And it's already perforated, I should say. Some of them was already open, but the new ones, I just have to open them down and split or slit and put them on. I don't like that dripping glue, so you know I'm gonna get it off of here. If not, I'll find a way to do something. I think some of the plastic is still on the beds, so hey, it'll work. Anyway, that's what I plan to do. Look at the jungle. Stay tuned.